ban kham pensuk ya kalet kawan jong di pajba ka any right kawan ra shapi ya ka app pathamai ka ba phila ban download na Play Store ka ba kerteng ka any right rider ha kani ka app kidon bon chat ki kali ba phila ban jet kat kum ka jingkwa jong phi kum ka bike ne scooty ka auto rickshaw taksi kamai bat ka tourist taxi ka ba phila ban le chadu Guwahati airport phila ban book lingba kani ka app om tang ha Shilong hanrei ha baro ki district na benda ka jingte bakhambania phone haune number 8416069241 namar Ñiew kor ya kapor jongpi
Yai petang Dr.Ricky Syngkon MP ke Jylla benyasa jalur gijing bergijing don kam jengki pajba apo ke Jylla meklaya ban pensngo bat Kyrpad ke Sorkar India saya gijing ti yo doyong bolong budlum kayo kekot ya paro ki pajba apo ke Jylla laki dai ki berius pa ni ki baduk dak ba pensngo ha ke Sorkar bayamenta nadu ba ke NGT ke National Green Tribunal ke lakhang ban ti yo doyong nadu usnam arja khatsau henrei menta ki dang don ki pati yo doyong tang de ki high level Henry ki berit baria bat ki baduk kim yolat banti yau te yutoyong kum tau Dr.Ricky ula Kyrpad de Sorkar India bakan yet benia bat ban khen kulum ya baro ban sha banti yutoyong claim da khen la ki de ki high level ne kilo level.
I would like to draw your attention to this very important issue, and that is way back in 2014 the NGT banned the mining and transportation of coal in the state of Meghalaya, which is one of the major activity of the people of our state. However, sir, the sad part is that in spite of the ban, there is this group which is known as the high level group. They've been indulging in mining, indulging in transportation of coal. And this is very serious, sir. The government of the day in Meghalaya is turning a blind eye to this activity, and therefore I urge upon the government to take up this issue seriously, either to ensure that the ban is imposed, the blanket ban, or to open so that to allow, the people who have been dependent on this important industry for their livelihood. Thank you so much, sir.
Galat kamai kumbah news pa tingka hadu siajar tingka sisngi yaki banyak bike ne scooty auto rickshaw taksi kamai bat tourist taksi phila ban download yakni ka app any ride captain na Play Store bat sa pendap yaki jingdon kam kum ki kot kisla kat kum ke jingdon kam lingba kani ka app phila ban register na keleng ke jaka kabaha phapo ke Jylla Meghalaya na benda ke jingte bakhambania phone hau new number 8416069241